Hey guys, it's your girl Aunt Samantha, and I am here with another video. I just did a quick wash and go using LUS products, and that is the Love Yourself brand. I was really happy to receive these products from LUS, especially because they are a Canadian brand, and I just wanted to rep my Canadian roots. So step one, which is their shampoo, which is sulfate free, and step two is their silicone free conditioner, and then step three is their all-in-one styler. And the one that they sent me was for kinky coily hair. They have 3 different stylers, one for wavy hair, one for curly hair, and one for kinky hair. A little bit definitely goes a long way with these products. But yeah, if you guys want to know a little bit more about the products and just see a review and a demo of me using these products, then definitely keep on watching. So first off, I'm going to use step 1, and that is the sulfate-free shampoo. This is for all hair types. It has shea butter and moringa oil. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that all over my hair. It's kind of hard to open, I don't know why. Alright, we broke the seal. Gonna put that much in my hair. It doesn't really have a strong scent. Oops. It is a bit like, I can't really describe the consistency. It's pretty liquidy, but at the same time, it was kind of like goopy. Oh wow. I definitely already think that I put way too much in my hair, because as you guys can see, like, it lathers up like crazy. The shampoo actually has a lot of slip in it, I must say. I usually have to add a lot of shampoo to my hair, and this is going a long way, which definitely goes with the brand because they are all about less is more. So as I said, it doesn't have any strong scents, so for those of you that are sensitive to scents, you will have absolutely no problems with this product. There's nothing like getting a spot that's super itchy on your scalp during washing. It's such a good feeling. This honestly feels like my scalp and my hair is getting clean, but it doesn't feel like my hair is being stripped of its moisture at all. I mean, I'll see how it feels once I've washed everything out, but right now my hair does not feel stripped at all, which is a good thing. Okay, so I just finished washing the shampoo out of my hair, and my hair does feel really soft. I do wish it felt just a little bit more moisturized, but yeah, my hair feels super duper soft. I can't really complain about that. I'm hoping that the conditioner adds just a tiny bit of moisture back into my hair. I mean, my hair does not feel completely stripped or anything like that. I'm just used to having just a tad bit more moisture after I shampoo my hair, but I mean, it's nothing like super disappointing, I would say. But I will say my hair does feel extremely soft, and it definitely feels really clean. So next we're gonna go in and add step 2, and that is the silicone free conditioner. This also has shea butter and moringa oil in it, and again, just to let you guys know, on this side here it clearly spells out that this product is free of sulfates, silicones, parabens, paraffins, phthalates, propylene glycol, mineral oil, gluten, and synthetic dyes. So it is free of anything that is crappy for your hair, which of course is amazing for us. And yeah, again, this is for all hair types. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in my hair. The consistency of this is also very creamy. And it has a very light smell. I don't know, I can't really pinpoint the smell, but to me it smells something similar to baby powder, I think. I could be wrong, but that's what it kind of reminds me of, I guess I could say. So right off the bat, the conditioner is really melting into my hair. I would like it to have a lot more slip, but I'm going to part my hair in half like I usually do when I condition. And I'm just gonna add a little bit more of the conditioner. So I should actually read the instructions. It says to apply to wet hair from root to tip, leave-in for 3 to 5 minutes, add some water, gently comb through with a wide tooth comb, and then rinse thoroughly with cold water. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. I will mention that once you first open this product, you do have to break a seal, and then it becomes a lot easier to open, because at first your girl was struggling. Oops. So we're gonna add this much more. It definitely defines my curls, I must say that. Like, my curls are clumping together and they are popping. So you guys can see that it does have slip, but I just feel like it really could use a little bit more slip. But it does feel very moisturizing, so that's a good thing. I usually always have to add more product to this side of my hair because it's a lot denser for some reason. Comment down below if you guys have that issue. One side of my hair also grows faster, like longer, and it also grows thicker. So I don't know if anyone else has those issues, but I definitely do. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this sit in my hair for 3 to 5 minutes as directed, and then I'm going to come back after that and just try and show you guys how easy or hard it is to detangle. Okay guys, it's been a little bit more than 5 minutes, probably about like 8 minutes, but whatever. I'm just going to go ahead and take off my my bougie conditioning cap and not my plastic bag. So I'm going to go ahead. And by the way, I'm trying to do something a little bit different. Usually I do voiceovers, but I'm trying to do more talk through videos with you guys. So comment down below if you prefer me doing talk through videos or if you rather voiceover videos. So in terms of the conditioner, actually, at first I didn't really like the slip, but guys, look how my comb is gliding, literally gliding through my hair. And I've done absolutely no detangling prior to this. So I am so shook right now. I'm not gonna lie, I really was not anticipating this. I really was not anticipating these results. I don't know why, but I was skeptical, but LUS, you've definitely proven me wrong with this conditioner right here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add the step 3 all-in-one Hydrate, Repair, and Style product, and that's what it is looking like.
I definitely got a defective bottle and the pump wasn't working, so I had to manually pour it all out. I love the fact that this product cut my time in half because I was only adding the one product and it was so moisturizing and had so much slip that it was just really awesome.
It is actually really clumping my curls together. So let's just go ahead and start shingling, as you guys know I normally do. Yeah, this is how my curls are looking. Add some product to this section. Oops, that is a lot.
So I've applied all the product to my hair and I can't even lie to you guys, my curls are popping.
So I've dried my hair, but I clearly used too much because I still have a lot of white residue. So I'm just gonna go ahead and re-wet my hair, then try it again, and hopefully get rid of most of the white residue. So I'm gonna come back and show you guys after what it looks like. I'm pretty surprised. I do have a kind of like a gel cast, even though I didn't use a gel. But I do love gel casts because that means I have more to work with, and that usually means that my hair is going to last a little bit longer. But yeah, as you can see, my hair has shrunken up quite a bit, so I'm going to go ahead and stretch it using my blow dryer.
So as you can see, my hair is stretched, but I still have my natural curl pattern at the bottom of my hair. One noticeable difference is that I didn't have that shine and sheen that I do get when I use my Eco Styler gel. So that's something that was lacking, but other than that, yeah, I really like these products. Overall, I really love the volume that these products gave me. I love the softness of my hair, and I'm really looking forward to trying them again and just using a little less so I don't have the white cast.
So I'm loving the result. If you've tried these products, definitely comment down below to tell me how you like them. And if you haven't, still comment down below to tell me how you think my hair turned out and if you want to try these products. So that is all I have for you guys for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Toodles!